Hey guys, so for a while I've been dealing with an issue with the front brakes on my 2006 GSXR 750. Occasionally when I apply the front brake, I would get a clunking noise. And I think I finally figured out what it is, that these brake discs are just shot. They're worn out. You can see the rivet between the inner brake carrier here and the brake disc is worn out. But given that this bike has probably done 35,000 hard miles, this guy right here, over the last, what, it's 2006, so, 13 years. I'd say they did their job for a good long time. But something to check for sure if you ever encounter this issue. I went ahead and ordered a brand new set of OEM brake discs and about to throw them on. So if you ever encounter that issue, check your brake discs. They might be on the worn side.